The question 13 is about dilation in the coordinate plane. You can call it dilation or dilation as well. Now here they have given us the coordinates and they have given you the k scale factor and they have asked you to find the new coordinates. All you need to do is multiply the scale factor throughout these values. So j will be minus 8 multiplied by 0.5, that's half. It will be minus 4. 0 will be 0. K is minus 2 comma 2. L is minus 1 comma 0. That's it. That is the points. And if you want to plot them up, you just have to plot it. And remember, whenever we delete something after the, applying the scale factor, that is always given as prime, k prime, a prime, x prime, or dash, you can tell it. This denotes the newly formed image. That's the deleted image or dilated image. So that's very important to understand. Here, this is the original image. If it's just J, A, K or something like that, it's just the original image. So since it's electronic part, you don't need to do anything in detail. Just find the find the coordinates by multiplying the k values, and you can graph the coordinates. You can select it easily which is the correct graph. Even over here, now it's just that k factor is 1.25. Multiply throughout by 1.25 and you'll get the answers. Here you can see this is the graph. Over here again, it's the same thing. Just multiply it out and you will get the answer. Please do it by yourselves and then check the answers. And same goes over here. Very simple problems. Now there's one more thing. Here you can see when the scale factor is less than 1, it becomes a reduction, a smaller image. Whereas if it's more than 1, it becomes an expansion, enlargement. It becomes bigger. Now here they have given us triangle J prime K prime K P prime. You can see this is the one. It's the enlarged image. Is the image of JKP. That's the original image. We need to find the scale factor. Scale factor K is always given as dilated divided by original. Now, you just count any one side, the easiest side. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the sides, right? 4. And what is it over here? 2. So dilated is 4 by 2. That is 2. The scale factor is 2. So you can see here, each side is multiplied by 2 and the new sides are formed. So that's the answer. And okay, now if you want the coordinates, how would you do the coordinates? You can just measure it out over here. The original image is having x of 2 and 4. K value is 4 and 4. And what about p value? 3 and 2. So that is the thing over here. They're missing with the p value. It's 2. Okay, since they're asking only sides, I guess they are just taking that. Now over here, what you can do is same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it'll be 8. You can just multiply this by 2, you will get the answer. Just look into the graph and find the coordinates. Very straightforward. And over here you can see the scale factor. This is the main thing because they have asked only the scale factor, and that's 2 what we did. Easily you can do that. That's it. Now if you look into this problem, there is literally no vertical or horizontal or vertical lines. You can't just count it. So how would you solve this one? It's not that straightforward, but there are plenty of tricks to do. Now one trick would be, can you see this point and this point here? Just try to measure the distance from here to here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and little 7.5, right? Now that is the image that's formed, not the original, that's deleted image divided by the original image. How much is it? 1, 2, 3. I don't think so this is very accurate enough because anyways, it's about 3. So now what we do is, yeah, it's nearer to 3. You can see it's almost, and over here it's little bit more, but I've taken it as 7.5. So see, you can, yeah, it's accurate enough. Yeah, 7.5 only. Yeah, you can take it as a whole number. You don't need to take it as 7.4 or 7.3 or something like that. Take it like this itself and you solve it up. You can put in the calculator and solve it. Over here it's gonna be 1.5 goes in this, so it is 2 times, and over here it'll go 2, 4, 5 times. It'll be 2.5 here. So this is the answer. That's the scale factor because they're just asking you the scale factor 2.5. So now the original image was multiplied every way by 2.5. Each side, if it was say 1 centimeter here, it'll be 2.5 centimeters in the new image. That's the answer. Now let's just look into the things. It's now here these are not accurate. They are done some DG which is not even there over here. But if you look into other sides, which I just did, I paused the video and did it, you will get approximately 2.5. This is not very accurate, but you can just approximate it over there. See, for example, you can even take this side. Now you can count it over here and try counting over here. Though it's not accurate, but over here you can see it's nearly 1, 2, 3, right? That's the original. So original will be down 3, but what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 point something. Again, it is not accurate to take 7.5, but if you take it, okay, it's going to be the same thing. But even I tried one more side, it'll be approximately around this range. It might be a little here and there, but that's the thing. This is a bit inaccurate. This is an accurate answer because I checked -2, 1, 2, and 0, and 0 and 2. It's not accurate over here. See, it's not there. The point G. So that's the reason. But anyways, over here also -3, -1, 2, 3. There is no point at -3 and 0. So that's the thing. Anyways, over here, you can easily find it out. Multiply all the coordinate points by 0.25 and you'll get the newly formed coordinate points, and then you can plot it. Since it's 0.25, it's a reduction, and this is the reduced image. Here as well, just multiply these and you'll get the answers. Very simple problems. You can in fact just look at these points, no need of multiplying, just look at the graph, okay? Easily eliminate the other graphs because this will be reduction graph. And then still, if you're getting confused, just see one of the points, only just focus on one point and easily find the correct answer. And here as well, you're expanded by 1.5. Here as well, we have to do the same thing, but now we have to find the scale factor. See, A prime, B prime, C prime, and D prime. Because it's prime, it's the deleted image. This is the newly formed image. It's inside. So you should know the original image is bigger, so scale factor is less than 1. K will be less than 1. What is the accurate one? Since you have an easy horizontal line, focus on that line and this one. What is the value? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The deleted image is up above, divided by the original image. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the answer. It's 3 by 2. It's 1 point. Now wait a minute. See, I have done a mistake. Original image is up above. Sorry. See, this is wrong. I'll write the formula. Deleted divided by original. Now, what's the mistake I did? I took the original first. It's in fact 4 divided by 6, which will be 2 by 3. This is the correct answer, 2/3. Okay, and it should be less than 1. Yes, 2/3 means 0.66. You can see the final answer. K value is 2/3. You don't need to do all these steps. You can directly do it in shortcut, looking just at any two lines and doing it. Because over here, this is multiple choice part. You will have the options. You just have to select the correct answer. Here as well, we do the same thing. But now if you look carefully, there is no, horizontal or vertical line. So in such cases, you can take any reference point. I'll take the axis as the reference because see, if I'm going to find these two sides, okay, I can find it. It's not a big deal, but it'll take a long time, finding the sides, then dividing and everything. But what I'll do is I'll take my x-axis as the reference, and I can see this is in between, right? How much is this? From here to here, it's 1.5. And what about this original image? This is basically 1. Here we can write the K value, that is deleted divided by the original. You can see the deleted is 1.5 divided by the original is 1. So the K scale factor will be 1.5. You can try this with other points as well. See here, you can choose this 1, 2 from here to here to the y-axis. And what about this point? 1, 2, 3. So what is 3 divided by 2? It's 1.5. This is why we can tell the scale factor is 1.5. So this is how we can easily find it just with any of the reference. You can use any axis as the reference. You do not need to do any of these long methods. Directly, we can get the answer 1.5. And that's how you can use the shortcut methods and solve this question number 13.